into a errand running day. I was about to leave, like literally about to walk out the door to go do like a big grocery shop. I'm gonna try to go to Costco and Harris Teeter and Trader Joe's. Kind of wish I weren't doing that, but it's, in a way, while I have the time, easier to do it all at once to get some staples. But I got an email from the business manager at my new job, and she was like, hey, you should have received onboarding info. And I do it this afternoon. But just seeing her email that was just kind of like, let me know if you need anything, let me know what documents you're going to use for this part, has made me feel the pressure. So I'm dropping groceries for now. I'm going to do that in the afternoon. I was going to reverse it, but I'm like, Lord knows how long it's going to take me to be out grocery shopping. So let me just do it now, but I don't want to. But it's okay. It's not a big deal. It's actually exciting. It's just like tax forms and stuff is not exciting, but like doing it, like getting to do it is exciting in itself. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Yay. Feel free to join me as I go on my errands today. I'll try to prop you up somewhere so you can watch me do, you probably don't get to watch me do tax forms, but that's what I'm going to be sitting here doing. I've got my pink boyfriend overshirt and my pug shirt and leggings, like pretty chill outfit today. I've got Valentine earrings that I made and I do love wearing them. I've gotten to give them to my former coworkers and my family and everybody really liked them, which is super sweet. I love them. They're like probably my favorite design so far, honestly, even though they're not like nature or science themed. They're just like Valentine sugar cookie energy and I love them so much. Anyways, yeah, join me today. I need to go to the bank, need to go grocery shopping, need to go to Target for a couple like stationery-y type things, etc. I think that's it. So yeah, join me. Bye. Done with the online onboarding process. Tax forms are so confusing. I always feel like I've done it wrong. I don't think I've gotten that much trouble yet. Like maybe I haven't done it wrong in years past, but I like consistently every time I like start a new job and like submit the tax forms, I'm like, I for sure followed the instructions and still did probably half of it wrong. I just don't know what you mean. What do you mean? What do you mean? What number? What? I'm gonna put a 0 because I don't know. So hopefully that is fine. Okay, so I guess I'm going to go to the bank first. Yeah, I guess I'll go to the bank first and then start grocery shopping. I feel less motivated now. I kind of hate that I've like reorganized things, but it's okay. It'll be good for me to get out of the house. So I guess let's go get out of the house. Apparently it's cold today, which sucks, but it is February, so what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? My big puffy jacket is in Ben's car, so that's kind of devastating. Guess I'll wear my rain jacket and a scarf. And that'll do. All right, let's go. No more delays, let's go. Little known fact, probably not. Little known fact to me, little did I know that the bank is closed on Mondays. So we'll go tomorrow, I guess. So just grocery shopping, wee. Okay, I have been to Target, Costco, Wegmans unexpectedly because I drove past it and didn't realize that I was driving past it on the way to Trader Joe's, and I had a vague memory of my brother telling me that they had extra large tortillas there, and I was like, if I'm going in for one thing, I can brave this, I can do it. And I did it, and they're large, so that's nice because I feel like I want big burritos. And then I went to Trader Joe's literally for frozen hash browns and peanut dressing. So I've been going like, I didn't get that much from Costco either. It's been like piddly little things that are just like helpful for me to have. But now I'm at Harris Teeter and gonna do the big shop, which is like exhausting to think about because I've already been like, being at this many grocery stores in one day is criminal. Like, why am I doing this? And saving the biggest trip for last. Yeah, but I'm really close to home. Is the Harris Teeter that's like very close to my house. So yeah, let me go fast. I've been like, the parking lots have really been overstimulating, and Costco was insane. I don't know why it's insane on a Monday afternoon. I don't know if Costco is just always insane, but oh my gosh. I meant to like film in these places more, but I was like, I can't. I just gotta get out. And I'm not gonna be filming in Harris Teeter either, so I'm just talking to you about what I'm doing and you don't get to see. I'm sorry. Stay calm, stay brave, stay bold, stay beautiful. Let's go. What I need to be doing right now is organizing the kitchen, like pantry shelf, or editing the vlog that is already late to go up, that was supposed to go up last night or the night before, and it's already not gonna go up tonight. I gotta apply some pressure to myself to make stuff happen. But what I am doing is watching YouTube and looking at Pickle Be Cute, because all those grocery stores really took it out of me, man. It's like more just like brain overstimulatedness. I'm like, well, squishy brain syndrome right now. I just made that up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna rest a little bit longer and then I will do something. I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just checking in. Just checking in. Goodbye. Hi, Pickle. Pickle, I like your little white spot. Your white spot on your belly. Good boy.
I just got a package. Been long awaiting, and by long awaiting I mean like a week of impatience for, I think it was marketed to me from Instagram, so I don't know how good it is, and it's vegan leather, and I'm starting to wonder if that's just code for plastic. So like, again, I don't know like if it's the best choice, but I'm really excited about it. And I've been like tracking it and seeing it come from Germany. Yesterday at 5:55 p.m. I got an alert that it was like out for delivery, and like waited all night. Not waited, I mean, I was doing stuff, but I was like, oh, okay, now I'm kind of nervous is it gonna come. And it just came, and it was just like a guy pulled up in his like 4-door sedan and like brought it to the door, and I was like, what? Shipping? Like what? Weird. I don't know what shipping company it was, period. So like a Uber Eats but shipping, I don't know. But let's open it. His name is Noirvert. I don't know. Again, I really hope it seemed like a decent company from their website. I didn't do like a ton of research, but definitely they marketed to me really hard. I want like a nicer bag, slash maybe it can be my work bag. It was kind of slickery. Ooh. Be your own muse. I will, thank you. Ooh, hip, cute, so cute. I do like it. It's what I expected. I think maybe a touch smaller than I expected, but no, I like it. There's a little front pocket. Smells like kind of nice old person. I think I mean like a Belk department store perfume section 15 years ago. Like kind of how my mama would have smelled when I was growing up. So not bad. I've heard that they smell really bad, so I was worried about that, but I almost feel like maybe they've changed something and it's like semi-perfumed now. Seems like decently spacious. Enough to put my little notebook in. Cute. We'll have to use it in some outfits, but yeah, I think I might take this to work tomorrow as my little like casual work bag. Supposed to fit a laptop, but the zipper seems pretty small. We'll see. I don't have a laptop yet, so not a problem yet. We'll see. But yeah, Noirvert, vegan leather, possibly it just means plastic bag. I think, I don't know, but I like it. I won't judge it too much right now. Simple yet refined, large strap, kind of slouchy. Love it. Smells like nice grandma, young grandma. Love it. Okay, cool.
Hello, today is day 2 of Errand running. I just went to a Food Lion to order a birthday cake. My cousin is having a birthday party at my house this Saturday, which is very exciting to host. It's his 25th birthday party. It's a little bit of a surprise, I think. Like semi-surprise birthday party. But anyways, I just ordered the cake and getting that Friday, and here I am at, you can see in the background, Wells Fargo to cash a check and deposit some cash to help pay for birthday expenses. So I'm gonna try to go to Party City next before they are completely closed down, going out of business or whatever, try to get some decorations, so you can come with me for that too. But yeah, it's a much sunnier day, I think. Was yesterday sunny? I don't know. Yesterday was a blur, too many grocery stores. But I do feel much better for it today. Not only did I go to so many grocery stores yesterday, I got home because I had so many groceries, I didn't have to, but I was like, okay, this is my chance to completely reorganize our like kitchen shelf and like pantry shelving or whatever. And that took me also forever, but was really good. Like, I feel so much better in there now. Like, a system that can work. So I feel so much better today for how bad I felt at the end of the day yesterday, just so overstimulated and like blah. But yeah, I'm ready to go, raring to go run some errands. Okay, let's do it. Success. Okay, very quick show and tell of what I got from Party City. It really was like going out of business sale. Everything is on sale, like 40% or higher. So honestly, I might go back and just get like general like Halloween party supplies because they've got cute stuff and it's super cheap now. I could keep it and reuse it for a long time. But I got the theme is gold and black. Think Wake Forest-y kind of vibes. I got a platter. I got a platter because I think I'm gonna do a veggie tray, and I actually like don't have a platter, so that's helpful. Tablecloth, classic, iconic. There's a bit of a basketball theme, Wake Forest theme. So a happy birthday basketball banner, gold and black stars that are super nice. Basketball fan things. I don't know how to describe. Ton of candles. I ordered the cake today and I really hope it looks good. Gold or like yellow and black. I almost did roses and I was like, it's gonna be like yellow flowers with black leaves, and that's scary. So we're doing like black star-ish doo-boop things. That's it. That's that. I should not have done this because I'm like, I still don't have money. And it was truly just an urge. Like, I shouldn't have done it. But also, there was something that I kind of needed. And then I got a couple things. I'm supposed to be over Marshall's in my head and not like care to go there anymore. But they do have good like kitchen stuff is really helpful. I want to eat big salads at work. So I got 2 of these glass containers. And we can always use more. After I've organized, I've realized that we do have a bit of storage available for more Tupperware. And I would like to phase out any like plastic Tupperware as it breaks, etc., and have glass. One of my favorite influencers, Cozy K, has one of these, and it's not complex. It's literally just like a giant Tupperware for your ice. We don't have an ice maker, and it'd be really nice to like get ahead and have ice. That's pretty much it. But yeah, pretty good errand day. Bank was successful. Stuff wasn't too stressful otherwise. Just got off of an EE and state standards Zoom phone call, and that was good and fine. I have another self-publishing workshop tonight that I'm feeling a little sleepy, so I need to rest a little bit and drink some tea, etc. Before I go to that. That's the check-in. Thanks for joining me for errands, etc. But thanks for watching.